Here it's Samsung J8 in my hands, codename SM-J810F. As you can see that it's locked with a pattern. So in this video we are going to learn how to remove the screen lock of this phone without going to any service center or any shop or spending money at home DIY. So without any further ado, let's start. First press and hold the power and volume down keys simultaneously until the phone powers off. After as you feel the vibration, then quickly release the volume down key and hold the volume up key. Keep holding the volume up key pressed until the recovery menu appears. As you can see that the recovery menu also appeared here. Now just keep pressing the volume down key one by one until you select this wipe data factory reset. In order to select this option, just click the power button as OK key. Now again select this factory data reset and again hit the power key. And from here you can verify that it's Samsung J8 on Android 10. Now just hit the power key once again to reboot the phone into the system now, and patiently wait a few minutes to land on the home screen, as the first boot takes a few minutes. I hope that you got some skill by watching this video. So what you are thinking about hitting a subscribe for me. As you can see that it's landed on the home screen. We have successfully removed the lock of this Samsung J8. And here you can see that we are also facing the FRP lock. So in the next video I will show you how to remove its FRP. So if you also encounter the FRP, check my channel and search for that video too. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep smiling.